I'll talk first about culture and why I believe actually this for me is the most important piece. Ensuring that the patient at the center of your thinking and understanding their needs is deeply embedded in your culture. So I'm going to use an example of one of the heroes of our laboratories at GSK, one of our scientists, who for 15 years said, we can make a better inhaler at GSK. We've been working in this space for 50 years, but we can be better here. And we can be better because the inhalers we have are not serving our patients in a way that is responding to what patients believe they need. And so 15 years ago, he embarked on a mission not just to improve and develop and invent new medicines and new molecules, but also to invent a new inhaler. And one that, along the way, needed the patient at its core. And so he brought in and worked with, over a 15-year period, a panel of patients that worked together to design something that actually failed 3 times along its journey of that 15 years. And it's through the behaviors that came with that, the perseverance and determination to say, actually, it's not good enough for us to say this particular new inhaler that we've designed at this stage is good enough, that we need to do more. It has too many steps. It's not simple enough. For patients who are losing their dexterity or their sight, we need something that is easier for that patient to use. And when you think about all of the things that can happen in an organization over a 15-year period with budget changes or leadership changes, and real design problems, you can anticipate along the way there would have been all kinds of moments where there was someone saying, are we sure that what we have today or what you've designed today isn't enough? And I'm just thinking of him standing right in front of me, his perseverance with deeply seated belief that this wasn't good enough for patients allowed him to say, no, it's not good enough. We need to persevere with more determination, more grit, and get to market something that really does respond fully to all patient needs. And for me, that's a great example of deeply embedded culture as a way of saying, yes, it is the right thing for the patient, and I'm not losing that in the work I'm doing every day. So that's culture, and why I'm actually talking about it first. It's just one example of really making sure that it lives deeply in the fabric of your organizations.